Hey guys, so today I'm going to be watching some nutshells because I don't know. They're funny, weird. We're just gonna see what they're gonna do to me. Let's just get comfy here. And here's our first nutshell. Ah, what the hell is this? I look so weird. When I'm looking at the screen, it looks like I'm looking up to God.
Hey Patrick, what am I now?
Stupid.
No, I'm Texas.
What's the difference?
Clack, clack, clack.
You called Texas stupid. Now, you must die.
I didn't know
Only I
that.
can kill SpongeBob.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
He said he'd kill SpongeBob, so he killed all of them.
Santiago.
I guess we're watching the next one.
Like and subscribe or I will kill you.
Tag your it, tag your it, tag your it. Oh my god, it's right there. Throw the salt water quick. What's poppin',
See,
guys?
I
It's your
think they're
boy
making
Colonel
fun of
Sanders here with your boy Ronald McDonald.
I think they're making fun of 3 a.m. challenges because, well, they're kind of dumb, to be honest. Some of them are fake and a lot of them are not. So we're just gonna watch this.
Back at it again with another 3 a.m. challenge. If you haven't seen my last video, guys, let me show you what happened. Oh my god. Anyway, can we get this video to 50,000 likes, guys? Smash that like button, let's get it.
No.
Alright guys, so basically if you don't know what one man hide and seek is, basically, you cut open the doll, you put some of your DNA in, you put some rice in, you sew it back up, and the doll comes to life and tries to kill you. Siri already wants to kill us, so we're gonna put Siri inside of the doll and see what happens. But first we're gonna check and see if Siri wants to talk to us. Hello Siri, how are you?
Like and subscribe or I will kill you.
Oh my god guys, I'm so sorry I got you into this. I didn't know she would say that even though she says it in every video. Smash the like button just to be safe.
See, they are
I
making
don't
fun
want
of
you
3
guys
a.m.
getting
videos.
hurt.
Not
Anyway, I
judging
already
them.
put the rice
I'm
and
with
everything inside the doll, so now we need to put it in water. I don't feel like walking to the bathroom, so we're just going to do it in the kitchen sink. Alright guys, so we put it
They're
in
so
water
lazy.
and now we need to say tag your it 3 times, walk out of the room, wait 10 seconds, come back, say I found you, and then we
He
shoot
said
the
he
doll.
don't want to
And if
go to the
anything goes
bathroom, but
wrong,
now
we can
he's gonna
throw this
walk
salt
out of
water on it and
the
the game
room.
is over.
Wow.
Alright, here we go guys, make sure to smash that like button. Tag your it, tag your it, tag your it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I found you. And now we need to hide.
I don't think it would be okay to give it a gun, because then it would be
Alright
easier
guys, so
for
we
him to
have
kill
been
you.
sitting on the couch for like 30 minutes and nothing has happened, so let's go see if it's still there. Oh my god, it's gone. What should we do?
I think we should go hide in the closet.
Oh yeah, good idea. Alright guys, so we're inside the closet and I'm pretty scared
Okay,
right
I'm
now.
quiet.
Yes, me too.
Wait a second. I think I hear footsteps. Oh my god, it's getting closer. We should keep talking and shining our lights at the door. Also, now seems like a good time to remind you to smash the like button. It's right outside of the door.
So loud.
I think gone. Let's go look. It's right there. Throw the salt water quick. Oh my god, that was so scary. Make sure to smash the like button. Let's get this
No.
video to 50,000 likes.
Just kidding.
Oh, burn.
Santiago.
Now, guess that's all for today's episode. But tomorrow, I will have lots of videos for you. Bye. Peace out. One sec.